Well, I do want to show you what it's like outside this morning. So yesterday at this time, we were talking about that heavy rain coming down, standing water on the roadways, completely overcast skies as a storm was right on top of us. All of that rain changing over to snow as you head up into the higher elevations above 2,000 feet. Now, flash forward 24 hours and yep, the rain's all gone. The clouds are gone as well. And it is a chilly start to the day. But that rainfall that we saw over the past 48 hours was not only that we had seen in the month of March or February, but the most that we had seen since back at the very beginning of the winter season in mid-December. So we have not seen a storm bring in this much rain. Again, we're talking well over 2 months. Here's a look at those rainfall totals for the storm. So that is 48 hours, about almost an inch here in Eugene, about 8/10 in Corvallis, same story down in Roseburg. Newport only picking up about a half of an inch of rain, but head south there on 101 into North Bend, picking up well over an inch and a half of rainfall with this storm. I went back and looked at those observations hour by hour, and you know what? We saw 30 straight hours of rain. Now, completely different picture. Again, it's dry out there this morning. The Eugene Airport is reporting some mist, but that's not actually rain. That's just some fog. Some of those low clouds that have formed this morning, partly because it's so cold. 30 right now at the airport, dew points down to 29, and that visibility has now been reduced down to just about 6 miles. So we are seeing that fog forming. You do want to watch out for that. Also watch out for some icy roads, especially up on bridges and overpasses this morning. 33 in Roseburg, mid-30s when you head out to the coast this morning. A very chilly start to the day for those of you in Central Oregon. You're looking at those low to mid-20s, and you head over into the eastern side of the state, even colder. We're talking 17 in Burns, 18 this morning in Klamath Falls. Now that area of low pressure that brought in all of that rain continuing to head south into Northern California. See how that jet stream takes a big nosedive down to the south. So we're still going to see that cold air mass on top of us. And as that storm starts to move across Northern California, we could get clipped with just one more isolated shower here late this afternoon, early evening. But then that storm will continue to move on to the east. Jet stream heads back north on Friday. That brings in some warmer conditions, some drier weather as well. And this storm that does look pretty impressive right now in the Central Pacific will actually get carried up to the north of us. So we'll just see the southern tip of this, a little bit of shower activity as we head into the middle part of next week. So on Precision Cast, again, you can see no rain for us here, just a few isolated showers possible late tonight. Otherwise, as we head into Friday morning, that fog starts to develop here on the west side and down here in the southern Willamette Valley as well. That'll break up midday Friday, and then it's back to those dry conditions, sunny conditions, and some warmer temperatures as well as we head into this weekend. So for the coast, you're looking at those upper 40s and low 50s. Few isolated showers late tonight. Again, nothing like what we've seen the past 2 days. And those winds will stay out of the southwest. Drying out this weekend, warming up at the same time, back into the mid-50s here by Sunday. Next chance for rain, not until Monday night. The Umpqua Basin, low 50s, partly sunny skies today. You could also see a shower or two pop up later tonight. Otherwise, check out that weekend. Doesn't get much better than this. We're talking 60 degrees, sunny and dry for Sunday. The Cascades, a beautiful day to do some skiing. Could see a few isolated snow flurries. Otherwise, highs in the mid-30s. That snow level is about 2,000 feet. Seeing some icy roadways, so if you're headed up there to one of the ski resorts, do watch out for that. Otherwise, should be a great day. Central Oregon, few snow flurries for you, mid-40s. Otherwise, getting back into the mid to upper 50s this weekend. Sunny and dry for you as well. And for the valley, low 50s. Again, chance for an isolated showers later on this afternoon. Otherwise, completely dry Friday all the way into Monday. Those temperatures continuing to climb back into the mid to upper 50s this weekend. And then we could see just a few scattered showers Monday night and again on Wednesday.